Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. And tonight we are making a vegan dish. Check this out. This is rice. This is pan on hot heat. And this method I picked up while living in student dorms with a guy from Bolivia. This is the fast way to make rice and this beautiful vegan dish, so check it out. So pour regular rice on the pan and add some oil of your choice. It can be olive oil. I'm using here sunflower seed oil. Beautiful. Okay, it's starting to get hot, so let's mix it up. Start mixing this rice up to make sure it's really hot. And let's add our vegetables. Cauliflower, alright, cauliflower in. Let's add other vegetables. And mix them up. We have here peas, beans, carrots, green beans, corn, now I'm adding some green onions, just like this on top. I want my rice to be on the bottom. And let's throw in a little bit of parsley on top. Our vegan dish. Now let's spice it up with some salt, black pepper, universal spice, like this, and pepper mixed with all kinds of peppers. I want this to be kind of spicy with lots of flavor. Now everything got nice and really hot, and here's the secret. Now I will throw in 2 cups of water real fast and shut the lid. And now I'll just lower the heat to medium and let it just sit and simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, you ready? 20 minutes have passed. Let's see what's going on in there. Oh, nice. Nice. We need to cook just a little bit more. I'll add a little bit more water and shut the lid for rice to open up even more. And the key to this is you have to wait for 20 minutes without opening it. If you pick up the lid and open it, you will let the heat out and it will not be the same. The rice will not expand the way it's supposed to. Okay, we tried our best. Let's see what's going on. Pretty good. Let's taste the rice. See if it's soft. It's hot, tasty and delicious. Rice is soft now. Just shut it again, turn off the heat, and just let it sit for like 5-10 minutes. Then you can serve it. Alright, service. So we have this full plate and lots of leftovers for seconds and for later. This is our vegan dish. Nice, spicy and delicious. Enjoy it and have a pair for dessert. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out. Love to all.